Good morning, children. Welcome to class 7 science once again. Children, today we are going to start new chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. Okay? So children, do you know what is weather? What is climate and what is adaptation? Weather, that is the day to day condition of the atmosphere. Okay, the weather of the 2 days will not same. Okay, like for example, one day the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, another day it may be possible the temperature will around 25 or 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, so weather, that is the day to day condition of the atmosphere, is called weather. Climate, that is the average weather pattern over a long period of time. Okay, means for a long time the weather will be same at the place, so that is climate. See the difference? Weather, that is the day to day condition of the atmosphere, and climate is the average weather pattern for over many years. Okay, the average weather pattern for many years, that is climate. Okay, adaptation, third, that is adaptation is to develop some special characteristics, special features in the body to survive in the harsh habitat, is called adaptation. So all three will discuss in this chapter in detail. Start from weather. Children, do you know why the cricket expert discuss about weather before start the match? Have you ever wondered why? Like similarly, if we have any family function program, so our elder discuss about weather. Why? Because the weather has a profound effect on our life. Okay, so depend on weather will manage our program functions. Okay, so see about weather first. Definition is written in front of you. The day to day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed is called weather at the place. Okay, so weather is clear to you. Weather, that is day to day condition of the atmosphere. Okay, and these temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, these are the elements of weather. Okay, these are the elements of weather. Clear? Now see, as I told you, the weather at a place changes every day. Okay, weather will not same for two days, 3 days, 4 days. It will not same. It will be change. Like sometime it is more warm, more humid, more cloudy, or more windy. But sometime it is less warm, less humid, less cloudy, and less windy. Okay, so weather will not same. It may be change, and if the weather is change day to day, so if the weather change day to day, then it show the variation. Okay, it show the variation. So in last we can say that the day to day condition of the atmosphere is called weather. Elements of weather, that is temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed. Okay, these are the elements of weather, and weather will not same for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, it may be change. Okay, clear? Now you can give the answer in the question. If the uh, if in exam ask what are the elements of weather, so you can write this is temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed. Okay, one more question that is important regarding your exam. They can ask like temperature is measured by which device? So that is thermometer. Okay, by the use of thermometer we can easily measure the temperature. But what about humidity? Humidity is measured by hygrometer. Wind speed is measured by anemometer, and rainfall is measured by rain gauge. Okay, so here I told some instrument that are used to measure the elements of weather. Okay, clear? Now see some pictures on your screen. You can see weather is sunny, weather may be windy, weather may be cloudy, or weather may be rainy. Okay, it is depend on the elements of weather. Okay, it is depend on the atmosphere. Sometime weather is sunny, sometime weather is windy, sometime weather is cloudy, and sometime weather is rainy. Okay, clear? Next, changes in weather. Changes in weather, you can see that the weather is generally not the same on any 2 days, and there is lot of changes in the weather over weeks and month. Okay, means we can say that the 2 days temperature will not same, it may be change. But if we will talk about week or month, so it is lot of changes in the weather. Okay, over week and months the lot of changes occur in the weather. Okay, and all the changes in the weather is caused by the sun. Whatever changes occur in the weather, that is caused by the sun. Okay children, clear? Now I am giving an activity regarding weather to you. You do at home. Okay, write on very fine paper and show me, like science notebook. You can write this activity, science notebook. Okay, and when school reopen, you show in front of me. Okay, see about this. A table, basically a table is there. Okay, in the table I have mentioned date, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, maximum humidity, minimum humidity, and rainfall. Okay, like I have given some dates to you, like 11th 8 20, 12th 8 20, okay, to 18th 8 20. So on these days you note down the maximum temperature. Like for example, you are taking 11th 8 20. Okay, on this date what is the maximum temperature, what is the minimum temperature? Like maximum temperature, for example, it is 34 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature is 24 degrees Celsius, humidity same like that, maximum and minimum humidity you will note, rainfall you will also note down. Okay, so for 11 August 20 to the 18th of August 20, you will collect these data, okay, from the newspaper or TV channels and write in your science notebook, and when school reopen you show in front of me. Okay, this is a homework, an activity homework I am giving to you. Okay, do at home. Clear? Now next, that is climate. Weather we have discussed. Now the next topic, that is climate. Climate, you see, the average weather pattern taken over a long period of time, about 25 years, is called climate of the place. Okay, in weather what we have discussed, that is the weather will not same of the 2 days. Okay, the day to day condition of the atmosphere, that is weather. But climate, that is a average weather pattern, average weather pattern of around 25 years. Like if in a place the temperature is same for long time, for long years, so the average weather pattern over a long period of time is climate, is climate. Okay, some example I'm giving to you. If the temperature of the place is hot most of the days, and if there is more rainfall, temperature is hot and the more rainfall is there, so what is the climate of the place? The climate, that is hot and wet. Hot, why? Because the temperature is high there, and wet because most of the rainfall takes place there. So the climate of the place, that is hot and wet. Okay, example, Kerala. In Kerala we have seen that the temperature is high and the rainfall, more rainfall takes place there, so that's why the climate of the Kerala is hot and wet. Okay, another example, that is if the temperature at a place is hot for most of the days, and if there is less rainfall, the temperature is high but the rainfall is less, so what about the climate? The climate, that is hot and dry. Okay, hot and dry. Example, Rajasthan. Okay children, clear? Now a graph in front of you, you can see in the graph, that is the temperature is same, the temperature is approx same over long period of time. Okay, like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, the temperature is approximately same, not change. So that is the average weather pattern of over long period of time, that is climate. Okay, so this is show the climate of the place. Clear? So children, in this video we have discussed about the weather and climate. In the next video we will cover the adaptation of animals. Okay, adaptation of animals, like animals, some animals are living in very cold climate and some animals are living in the very hot climate. So how can it possible? Okay, how can it possible? So children, to survive in the harsh habitat like very cold climate or very hot climate, the animals develop some special features or characteristics in their body. Okay, that's why they can survive there. So adaptation of animals we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.